From its initiation, the Novo Nordisk Foundation Center for Biosustainability has worked towards creating more sustainable solutions to benefit humans and the planet. Here, everyone from scientists to the staff that supports them are unified by a common goal: to shape a better tomorrow by looking at the world through a new scientific lens. From day one, we have worked to harness the power of microbial biotechnology. Using synthetic biology, metabolic engineering, and data science, we have created new solutions to the problems facing our planet. At the center, we have pioneered the development of microbial cell factories, and today we are considered a world leader in this field. Using advanced computer-aided design, we can now precisely guide both strain engineering and the natural evolution of microbes. This development has revolutionized the field. Previously, it would have taken a decade to create commercially viable production strains. Now we achieve them in a fraction of the time. But to get to where we are now, this story needs a beginning. Ours began 15 years ago. At first, there were few of us, a select team of specialists and idealists. But since then, we have grown substantially. Today, we employ more than 300 people, and over the years, we have fostered the next generation of experts, leaders, and entrepreneurs. With a unique end-in-mind approach and a strong entrepreneurial spirit, we have generated an impressive number of spin-outs and made a remarkable impact on the Danish labor market. We are in fact one of the few places where technology transfer and translational research in industrial biotechnology delivers impact. At the center, we have developed methods and technologies for large-scale production of natural products, microbial foods, and sustainable chemicals. For instance, by delivering alternatives for dyeing clothes, new methods to keep our crops free of pests, and solutions to protect our watercourses from PFAS. With these developments, future consumers can leave greener footprints. Today, we pride ourselves in being one of the highest praised and recognized institutions within biotech research. But there is so much more we can do and explore. It is time for a change. And with a generous donation of 134.1 million euros from the Novo Nordisk Foundation, we can now make an even greater impact. Soon, we will see the dawn of BRIGHT, the new Biotechnology Research Institute for the green transition. We will build on past competencies and experiences and expand towards new ones. At BRIGHT, we will investigate new ways based on C1 to produce sustainable chemicals and materials. We will create microbial foods that are flavorful, more sustainable, and ready for market. And we will engineer microbes for novel, effective solutions for net zero agriculture. At BRIGHT, we will revolutionize technology for biosolutions. For the future of our planet, we will develop solutions that catalyze the green transition for impact at scale. With BRIGHT, the future is indeed bright.